Okay, this is just a note for myself on how everything is oriented. Got an Allen head screw, double washer, flange. We've got this setup here. The lead screw nut, as you can see here, points, I don't know if you can really see, points, the L points out towards the incoming lead screw. Let's see if I can, there we go. And there's that little protective plate. This is stacked on here like this. Looks like there's a pressed in sleeve, or something, which is held by this Allen screw. I don't know what that is for. Oh, that's probably the drop through for the oiler, perhaps. And then we've got a pinned end here, square hex. And we've got the zero adjusting nut, it looks like. And then the dial. Okay, looks like it's about it. Let me see if I can flip this over here. Okay, and we've got the on top, we've got the other lead screw. Doesn't look like it has a direction. From what I can see here, the only real orientation marks it's not really a lot. I suppose these scratches here in the front, maybe they point out. What I'll do is I'll put a center punch on the lip right here to orient it facing out.